Welcome to Idesia Homes! Today, you will see the complete lineup of Idesia's best-selling units from Yama to Fuji. If you're looking for a home that matches your budget, lifestyle, and long-term value, this is your quickest guide. You can never go wrong in owning a Japanese design home and community. Message me today and let me help you choose the best unit and get the best Idesia promo.
Yama is the ideal home for new beginnings. If you're looking for a place to grow independently or provide a space for a growing family, then this is the place for you. It features an open-plan living, dining, and kitchen area with 2 bedrooms and a toilet and bath. This townhouse unit has a floor area of 42 square meters and a regular lot area of 50 square meters. Yama offers a fresh space and an accessible yet safe and secure environment. Whether you're looking to make the most of your time by doing the things you enjoy doing or wanting to start a new chapter in your life, Aria is the ideal home for you. The Aria Townhouse has an inner lot area of 60 square meters, a corner lot area of 90 square meters, and a floor area of 42 square meters. It features an open-plan living, dining, and kitchen area, a spacious understairs for extra storage, 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath with a water-saving closet fixture, and a provision for lanai and service areas. Sora is the ideal space for you and your family where you can pursue your passion and strengthen your bond in an accessible yet safe and secure environment. This 2-story single attached unit has a floor area of 52.25 square meters and a lot area of 80 square meters. It features an open-plan living, dining, and kitchen area and a provision for lanai and service area. If you're dreaming of a home where you'd want to celebrate all your milestones together, then Talia is the ideal home for you. Talia is a 2-story single attached unit with a lot area of 80 square meters and a floor area of 52 square meters. Talia features an open-plan living, dining, and kitchen area, 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath with a water-saving closet fixture, a pergola carport and balcony, and a provision for lanai and service area. Pleasantly comforting and mild, evoking a sense of coziness and contentment. Hasu is a two-story single-attached unit with a floor area of 77 square meters and a lot area of 120 square meters. It features 2 bedrooms, a living room, a dining room, and a kitchen. It also has a provision for a service area, a lanai, and a carport. This home creates a supportive environment that fosters the growth and well-being of the family. Indulge in a space that you can call your own. Yuri is a 2-story single-attached unit with a floor area of 63 square meters and a lot area of 96 square meters. It features 2 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, and a dining room. It even has a provision for a service area, a lanai, and a carport. Yuri is set in an environment that conveys space, togetherness, and comfort for you and your family. If you are a couple expecting to have a growing family in the future, or maybe you have children already but need more space, Mori is the ideal home for you. It features an open-plan living, kitchen, and dining area with 3 bedrooms and 2 toilets and bath. This 2-story single-detached unit has a floor area of 62.7 square meters and a lot area of 100 square meters. Mori offers ample space for you to express your creativity and individuality. Settle down in a safe and secured community where you can be proud of. Gaia is ideal for you who want to settle down in a safe, secure, and quality space where you can grow happily as a family in a community that you can be proud of. Gaia is a 2-story single detached unit with a lot area of 100 square meters and a floor area of 63 square meters. It features an open-plan living, dining, and kitchen area, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilets and bath with a water-saving closet fixture, a provision for lanai and service area, and a 1-car garage. Marked by ample spaces and openness, providing a feeling of freedom and uncluttered comfort. Fuji is a 2-story single detached unit with a floor area of 82.98 square meters and a lot area of 120 square meters. It features 3 bedrooms, a living room, a dining room, and a kitchen. It has a provision for a service area, a lanai, and a carport. Live in a home that conveys a sense of grandeur and elegance. A bigger space that fosters and nurtures the growth of a family, belonging to a community that flows with vibrance and warmth. This is Fuji.